This is the Phoenix Cruiser model 2351D. It is on the Ford E450 chassis, 7.3 liter V8, delivering 350 horsepower.
See the layout on the inside with the Ford. Looks like they try to do like a carbon fiber look around that. As you scroll up, you see their TV, some of the controls. Seating here. A little leg extension. You've got a little chair on the other side. Right into the kitchen area. Across from that, you have your fridge and freezer, some storage. Then back in the back here, you have your bed on a push out. Another little TV, table storage for up front, shower, and bath. They pack a lot into this little unit.
So this unit is just under 26 foot in length. It has a 40-gallon fresh water tank, 19-gallon black water tank, 35-gallon gray water tank. This RV also has a 3-year or 36,000-mile warranty. And that is a quick review of the Phoenix Cruiser.